Hey, I like candy. My favorite kind is Hershey's. And I like Hershey's. I got lots of Hershey's. Sometimes, for amusement, I like to hang Hershey bars from my ceiling fan. Usually, I just tie a little string around the end of the fan, tie it over like that, fold it up, and tape it. That way, the Hershey bar doesn't fall from the ceiling fan. Yay! The Hershey bars are flying around the room. I want one. Dude, my mom's gonna be so pissed. I broke the fan. I got the string. I got it caught up in the fan, and it stopped moving. My mom's gonna be pissed.
Eu, un haiduc și te rog, iubirea mea, primește fericirea.